Hi everyone. Today, as you can tell by the title, we'll be talking about CRM for cleaning businesses. Now, some of you might know, some of you might not know, but a CRM and ERP are simply software designed for you to properly manage your resources, your employees, your customers, everything that when it comes to your business, this is designed to manage it. And if you've already done some research, you might have noticed that if you're looking for this kind of software, it's either A, uncustomizable, B, customizable but very expensive, or C, very slow. So if you want to do something, it's exceptionally slow to accomplish that and make it tailored specifically for your business. However, here at Ozma, we figured out the perfect way to do it for you. And we've not only figured out how to do it, we figured out how you can try it now, very quickly, for free, and see the results yourself in person. And I will show you in this live demo exactly how this is done. So if you go to the website, ozma-io, on the bottom right, you'll see this little assistant. He's just waiting for you. And if you click on him, here, you will type a message. What do you put in that message? Simple. You describe what you need for your business. You can be very detailed about it, or you can be very broad about it. It's totally up to you. I'll keep it nice and simple. I need software for my cleaning business. Perfect. Or CRM. Even better. If I only learn how to spell CRM. Perfect. Ozma, seconds after, responds with sounds like an exciting project, whether we're trying to come up with an entire business app structure ourselves, or you can answer a few questions. So here Ozma is going to ask you, do you want to answer a few questions so he can specifically build it for you based off of certain questions and answers, or come up with the entire business app structure ourselves. So Ozma is really smart, and I'm going to let Ozma decide exactly what is fit to industry standards and how I can be ahead of my competition and what is the best CRM to build for me. Decide on your own based off the best features. Like that. You don't have to learn how to code. You don't have to learn how to talk to this thing. You can talk whatever way you like it, and Ozma will understand you. So we're going to let Ozma work on this in the meantime. And actually, one funny fact about Ozma is that it never started as Ozma. The name creation of this software has been all over the place. It started with My Process X, and then the owner realized that most people don't know where to place the X, whether it should be My X Process, X My Process. It was just chaotic. Then it transitioned into Vabl.io, which was VABL.io. But another issue arose where many people couldn't figure out whether it's a W, whether it's two B's, and exactly how it's pronounced. So eventually, ozma.io came into reality, and now it's nice and simple. Everybody knows what Ozma is, and as you can see today, it's already working and building databases for you. So currently, Ozma is going to take some time to build this database. It says 5 minutes, and I think it's going to be less than 5 minutes. We'll see in a second. And I want to show you in the meantime one cool thing that is coming up in the future videos and in the future features for the software. All you got to do is subscribe to the channel, and you'll see these things coming out, videos for them as well, how to integrate it into your CRM. Oh, is Ozma already done? Ozma is already done. I don't think even a minute has passed. As you can see, brilliant, your custom business app is now being crafted, cleaning CRM business app. Remember that the business app is a public accessible and only prototype. We now generate example data. So it already built the business app for us. Let's see it. So, based off the industry standards for cleaning CRMs, Ozma has decided that the most important things to include are clients, employees, contracts, jobs, invoices, and maintenance. Now, when it comes to the client, let's see what it looks like. It's going to be, I think, pretty basic. Although, no. Actually, client name, email, phone number, address, which makes sense. We want to know where we're going. Created at, so when we had the customer introduced. Client notes. This is new. I haven't seen this before. So, first-time client prefers early morning appointments, has a pet dog, preferred during your weeks. So, it already decided that these notes will be important in order to adapt perfectly for your customers. I think this is amazing. Now, it doesn't end there. The reality is, you can customize this within Ozma as much as you like. You can delete things, you can add things, you can ask for advice and add things that be like, this isn't enough, I want more added. And Ozma will add more for you. In our specific scenario, I want to say, let's see, we got employees, contracts, jobs, invoices. Let's see the invoices. What do those look like? Job ID, invoice date, amount, payment status, invoice notes, kitchen cleaning completed successfully, pending payment for more notes. I think this is really important in the cleaning business. Jobs, kitchen cleaning, job description, job date. So for example, let's look at jobs. Be like job title, job description, job date. And let's say Ozma, for the job category, please include column describing the difficulty of the job. This is an example. This is something that we would hypothetically ask Ozma to add. As you can see, to make sure I add the right field, could you please make a bit more information about how you want to classify the difficulty of the job? For example, do you want a simple text description, a numerical scale, predefined list of options, or something else? Let's say numerical scale. As you can see, Ozma isn't just talking to us like a robot. It specifically is asking a question based off our specific situation. Just to clarify, do you want a numerical to be an integer value in a specific range 1 to 5? See, I kind of misspelled 2-5, but Ozma's smart. He'll figure it out. He or she, I don't know. We got to talk to Ozma. I'm trying to update your business app. Updated within 2 seconds, tops. So let's go back and reload jobs. All done. Difficulty 3, 2, 4, and this is just the start. This is so customizable. You'll be fascinated by it. Honestly, go ahead, try it yourself. And another cool thing coming up in the future that I wanted to mention is that if you subscribe, you'll see these things integrated within the Ozma. So it's not only going to generate a CRM and ERP for you that goes over all the categories, but we're also going to be integrating dashboards, and I will show you tutorials on how they work, how they can be customized, how they can be built into Ozma, and how you and me can be fascinated by this new software in this business world, and how that's not only amazing and really cool for all of us, but how you will stay ahead of your competition and make your life so much easier. Manage your customers, manage your employees, manage your resources on a much more advanced scale. And you don't have to store it on a computer and just try to share it to somebody. It's all in the cloud. So it's all going to be saved. It all can be managed. It all can be customized. And yeah, I think this is amazing. So go ahead, go to ozma.io. Literally just try it. Ask it to build something for you. It's cleaning CRM in Minnesota, cleaning CRM in Texas, cleaning CRM in a totally different country. Whatever you want it, be as specific, be as broad as you like. Ozma will be there to help build this for you. And yeah, try it out. And please let me know in the comments if there's something that you want me to add in the future, if there's a specific video you want me to post about, or how Ozma was for you. Any problems, any good things, any amazing feedback, any very bad feedback, whatever you like. We'll be waiting for your responses. And go ahead, try this out.